brilliant plug-and-play garden lights can bring your garden to life. The low voltage lights have a minimal effect on the environment and your electricity bill. You can use spotlights to highlight key features in your garden, while bollards can light paths and living areas. And the plug-and-play installation is quick and easy. First, draw a plan of your garden. Include your home, sheds, patios, all the paths, driveway, as well as the garden area. First, you need the transformer, ensuring its wattage capacity is greater than your lighting run. This is simply the number of lights multiplied by each wattage. You have 3 control options for your garden lighting: an RF remote, a dusk to dawn sensor, or a smart controller which just uses your home Wi-Fi. For this setup, we'll be using the smart controller. Connect the controller to the transformer. Make sure the 2 pins and groove are aligned before pushing them firmly into place. Secure tightly with the weatherproof cap. Plug-and-play garden lights come in 2 options: a 4-pin RGB color or 2-pin white light. Note that these systems are not compatible with each other. Using the right connection, repeat the same steps as before. Push the lights into the ground. Connection tees allow you to add lights to your setup in any direction to suit your garden. To add another garden light, use the same connection steps as before, making sure you cover the join with the waterproof cap. Ensure your controller is connected to the power before connecting to the Brilliant Smart app. Follow the How to Install Your Garden Light video. You now have full control of your garden lighting from your smartphone, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the new landscape design. That's brilliant.